about 18 hours old. Not even. Get in on his little face.
He's got the hiccups.
There he is. Got the hiccups.
Those are violent. Okay.
Hey, bud. Good job, Mom.